Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to track inventory in QuickBooks. Tracking inventory in QuickBooks allows you to monitor stock levels, manage costs, and know exactly when to reorder products. It helps to prevent overselling and ensures accurate financial reporting. So let's get into it. First step is to enable inventory tracking. Click the gear icon in the top right corner of the QuickBooks dashboard and then select Accounts and Settings and then go to Sales. On the Products and Services, you want to turn on Show Product or Service column on sales forms. Also track quantity and price rates. Likewise, you want to turn on Track Inventory Quantity on Hand. Once you're done with that, click Save and then Done. Next, to add inventory items, click the gear icon again, and under that, look for Product and Services, and now select New, and under New, select Inventory. Now you're going to fill in details like name, SKU, categories, initial quantities, reorder points, etc. Once you're done with all that details, you're just going to click Save and Close. Next is to record purchases and sales. So for purchases, you want to use bills, expenses, or checks to reorder buying stocks from suppliers. Whereas for sales, you use invoices or sales receipts to record selling items to customers. Next step is to monitor stock levels. Now, to monitor stock levels, all you got to do is go to Sales and then Product and Services to see quantity on hand, low stock alerts, as well as total value of stock. To run inventory reports from reports, just search for Inventory Valuation Summary, or you can just search for Physical Inventory Worksheet. These help to verify stock counts and values. A pro tip is to always enter starting quantities when first setting up inventories. Likewise, use reorder points to get low stock alerts. And don't forget to perform regular physical stock counts to ensure accuracy. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.